What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to find your TikTok user ID. All you have to do is open your web browser, then go to a TikTok profile. Replace the @username on the link with the account you want. Now right-click anywhere on the page, then click View Page Source or similar option depending on your browser. Now press Ctrl+F to activate the search shortcut. Type auth or will. Type author ID. Look for something like author ID, then the rest. The long number next to author ID is your TikTok user ID. Copy it and use it whenever needed for APIs, analytics, etc. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.